Fix a carriage jam in your HP OfficeJet 3830 printer when the carriage stalls in the printer while printing and the printer control panel displays a carriage jam error message. With the assistance of a flashlight, check common areas in the printer for jams. Remove all paper from the input tray. Lift the input tray shield and shine a flashlight inside the input tray area, removing any paper or other obstructions found. And then lower the input tray. Close the output tray, and then shine a flashlight inside the output tray area and remove any jammed paper found. With the printer still on, go to the rear and disconnect the power cord and all other cables. You must disconnect the printer power cord from its power source to avoid injury or damaging the printer. From the front of the printer, open the exterior door and then the ink cartridge access door. If possible and without forcing it, slide the carriage all the way to the right, and then all the way to the left, removing any obstructions. Close the ink cartridge access door and exterior door. With one hand holding the scanner lid, rotate the printer to the back to access the bottom. On the cleanout door, push down the two tabs to open it. Remove any jammed paper found. Close the cleanout door, and then lift and rotate the printer to its normal upright position. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and the printer turns on automatically. Raise the input tray. Load paper into the input tray and adjust any guides so they rest on the edge of the paper. Pull out the output tray. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Improper placement or installation of the ink cartridges can cause the carriage to jam. Remove and reinstall the cartridges to clear and prevent jams. Close the output tray and then open the exterior and ink cartridge access doors. Press down on each cartridge and remove them from the printer. Do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Touching these can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Check in and around the carriage and remove any paper or other obstructions. Reinstall each cartridge into its correct slot. Tricolor on the left and black on the right. Hold each cartridge by its sides and slide it into its slot at an upward angle until it snaps into place. Close the ink cartridge access door. Close the exterior door. And then pull out the output tray. Try to print a document. If the error persists, continue to the next step. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.